รงนี้จะเป็นเวลาที่ต้องเดินหน้าสร้างสรรค์สิ่งใหม่เพราะเราคือคนรุ่นใหม่มาแรงพร้อม
No one can predict the future, but we can invent it. Believe it or not, this car would be self-powered and weigh 1 in 3 lighter than present vehicle. This is merely one of impossible innovations. But to make a groundbreaking discovery happens to be our only determination at PTT Global Chemical Polymers. With our potentiality at polymers, a part of an integrated management from upstream to downstream. Under the PTT Group, we are not only Thailand's largest petrochemical and refining. This power of integration also takes us to the next level of the competition in both regional and global scales. Our vision is to be leading plastic material provider for better living. Thus, we established the Innovation and Technology Center, a starting point for imagination and possibilities, which enables us to come up with products to answer to convenient lifestyles and safety for humankind under the brands InnoPlus and Direx, with the plant capacity of 1.89 million tons per year. InnoPlus is polyethylene plastic resins. It comes in 3 categories: high-density polyethylene, linear low-density polyethylene, low-density polyethylene. Direx is polystyrene plastic resins and divided into 2 categories: general-purpose polystyrene, high-impact polystyrene. Currently, InnoPlus and Direx have been trusted by over 3,000 customers for both converters and traders in more than 100 countries, covering all regions around the world. They have brought not only a new history but pride to PTT Global Chemical by being the first in Thailand to be certified the carbon footprint labels for all product grades. Furthermore, the manufacturing process has also been verified with GMP standard and HACCP from SGS to ensure the best safety for consumers in both food packaging and environment reservation. Not to mention how they play a significant part in being raw materials for the converting processes of plastic products we simply can't live without. Packaging product industry. An innovation not only decreases costs for the product manufacturers, but also increases convenience, safety, and tasteful lifestyles for the consumers, such as easy peel film for easy opening, shelf life extension packaging to prolong the ripening of vegetable and fruits, stretch wrap film with outstanding durability, toughness, and clarity, anti-fog film to reveal food palatability, smart packaging with freshness sensor for consumers' best health. We also invented new grade for producing lightweight gas cylinders, which are both safer and more durable than ever. Automotive industry. Lightweight fender liner, customized designed fuel tank. Construction industry. Fiber cement roof made of polymer fabrics in place of asbestos to reduce health risks. lightweight thermal insulation for interior walls, high-pressure PE 100 pipes with world-class quality, roto-molding for water tank with high durability, lightweight, and complied with US FDA, high-quality electrical insulator for state-of-the-art transportation, electronics and electric appliances industry, high reflective surface of electronic equipment with excellent durability and quality. For years to come, we are committed to develop new products and innovations beyond anyone's imagination. Thus, we have collaborated with our customers, covering the entire market value chain. We cooperatively develop new products as well as to provide business value added to our customers domestically and internationally. Using the strength and passion of our polymer business unit's professionals. This results in ultimate product innovations from our plastic pellets materials. This strategy is a top priority in our business unit, and it creates sense of pride in having mutual understanding, requirement, and true partnership with our customers. No matter how innovative we have become, the biggest success of all is not just to discover new achievements, but also to bring back happiness and good environment to the society. That's why we initiated the reforestation and water conservation at Hormahat Mountain to build a check dam using plastic flap sacks made from InnoPlus HDPE plastic resins. The product rated #1 Global Energy Awards from Platts. We also started the Clean Water Container InnoPlus project for Chai Patana Foundation by using LLDPE C6 comonomer plastic resins. Because the world and our lifestyles are evolving rapidly, and because plastic is surrounding us in every minute of lives, PTT Global Chemical Polymers will continue to develop new products and innovations for the best future for all of us and for sustainable growth of all businesses, as well as for a better world in which we all live. PTT Global Chemical Polymers. Serve your needs with pride.
PTT is a company which operated in the energy and petrochemical integrated as a national energy company that serves to create energy security both in production and distribution. International marketing. PTT is a company that crude oil and condensate, one of the largest delegate network and global trading partner. National marketing in Thailand. PTT has several business formats such as commercial marketing, distribution of product, warehouse management, and petroleum supply and logistics.
Determining industry, the company was founded on 29 December 1978, which is a global shortage of oil stars operation with oil supply sufficient to meet demand in rapidly. We registered activities on 1 October 2001 and the merger of the two organizations the Organization of Energy, Fuel Cell and Gas Authority of Thailand Petroleum and Natural Gas Business Service. The objective is to anchor and encourage the petroleum business as well as other businesses that operate on or in connection with petroleum operation to achieve the most beneficial to the economy and national security. The Ministry of Finance is the largest shareholder. Country PTT has 47 subsidiary companies. PTT is one of the largest corporations in the country and also the only company from Thailand listed in Fortune Global 500 companies. In the future, intend to expand its involvement in energy security coupled with the creation of various
I'm going to talk about problem or abstraction in the business of PTT. One, the management structure in place is not a serious problem and it only needs to be updated because that is nature of the project. Two, HR both in terms of digital, both in terms of quality and performance. Total to organizer, people into different jobs so that people are processed. Resort with is fully functional. 3. International business unit within its PTT business unit outside of the government and the different subsidiary of PTT parasites as well PTT conflict with the refinery.
I'm going to talk about the purpose of the PTT company. One, analysis of the energy situation in the country and orientation of operation to achieve maximum efficiency. Two, to make use of energy efficient and beneficial to the economic development and to provide public access and use of energy at reasonable price and fair. 3. Reduce greenhouse gas emission is committed to the reduction of greenhouse gas emission have increased energy efficiency, modified fuel, electricity from combined heat and power plant, and the use of water has scheduled to reduce greenhouse gas emission to below 15% of normal business operation in the year 2020.
scope of analysis. 3 factors were studied. First, why the PTT company has come to be as the business. Second, what the PTT has got to be managed, with the risk that oil prices are constantly factoring. And third, what makes the PTT company successfully and sustainably to this day. In addition, PTT will not only take into account the company's growth and economic aspects alone, but also take into account environmental as well. Although company PTT is a company that makes a lot of to be sold on the market today, but what PTT never ignored is that is the environment.
Delimitation protocol is important for the most part to get action of the sea, such as in the Mayaput and Songkhla, to say to the goal of party of good in reduce cost in the oil market, distribute us out the country, not to be a waste of time in the business. PTT in business on the top of oil, exploitation and reduction, exploration and production industry in the group of Thailand and Southeast Asia to multiply size and in the big.
Limitation of PTT. Because of PTT is a company business energy and processing power, so it must be with the release of industrial waste such as nitrogen oxides and wastewater. PTT has to adjust the company's strategy for environmental responsibility.
I'm going to talk about definition of term. The company PTT, Public Energy Company that convert from Thailand. Petroleum Authority of Thailand. The energy come from merger of two state enterprise and organization natural gas that fall of the organization. Oil is a liquid in nature, most are black and brown. It is a hydrocarbon type, mingle and sometimes contain other operators such as sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen. Petroleum gas or LPG as fuel one that come from fossil. Fuel is the product of extracting crude oil in refinery or extracted from natural gas. Energy is what makes things move. If there is no power, nothing happens. Anything that moves or goes in any way. Greenhouse gas or a gas that envelop the atmosphere and cause global warming.
I'm going to talk about how the study was conducted. Summary of project operation. From the study and data collection to the implementation of the project. We'll study the use of the information from the media, magazine and the internet to meet the objective of this study. The most benefit the information brought by the study. It must be accurate and complete in a written. By the nature of the operation will be in the nature of the duty of each department to read, to find the information in each section, then that information can be correct and so there is a more organized data.
How to study was conducted. Secondary data. After all people has know about the PDT, then we know the important information in the secondary data. It is in the sale and service income and net income. Sale and service income. This segment detail on the income from sale and service consists of various core business, petrochemical business, international trading business, oil business, gas business, and PTT/EP between 2014 and 2015. Second, net income. A chart showing net income of PTT between 2014 and 2015 as shown below. This segment details the net revenue of such profit share from associates, petrochemical and refinery, PTT/EP, PTT, profit loss from divestment of equity, profit share from core business between 2014 and 2015.
Data Financial and Statement Highlight of PTT. The analysis of data from the graph within each year. Notice that with each year, there is a change in the financial budget, in which the year 2012 had total assets of 1,631,000 baht and had total liability of 899,000 baht, and within the year 2015 had total assets of 2,173,000 baht and liability of 1,086,000 baht. From the table within the period of 3 to 4 years, the company has added cost more, and because the oil price decreased from the previous year, as well as the company has been affected from the adjusted accounting standard, result profit or the reduced too.
จุดนัดฝันเห็นหัวใจกันมาจ้องตาจากตรงนี้จะเป็นเวลาที่ต้องเดินหน้าสร้างสรรค์สิ่งใหม่เพราะเราคือคนรุ่นใหม่มาแรงพร้อมที่จะแซงขึ้นไปเป็นทางเลือก